Hello. Stop selling at 6 weeks. The hidden profit in making broilers, in making and keeping broilers for 8 weeks. Many farmers are fond of selling their broilers at 6 weeks. Do you know that you are losing a lot of profit when you sell your broilers before 8 weeks? Because broiler at 8 weeks and above have higher feed conversion ratio, and at that time their management requirement is less. You have suffered all the period of brooding and growing stage. This finishing stage is the stage they can take care of themselves to some extent. So if you sell your broilers before 8 weeks, you are losing high profit. In fact, you hardly make profit, because even if you are making profit, it will be too minimal. So I advise you, as a poultry farmer, broiler have maturity. 8 weeks is the main maturity for broiler. So if you keep it below 8 weeks, the meat can still be eaten by human being. But there are a lot of reasons why I advise you to keep your broilers above 6 weeks, or at least up to 8 weeks, so that you make the maximum profit and less job. So in this video, watch to the end and get information why I personally keep my broilers up to 8 weeks and above. Many poultry farmers sell their broilers at 6 weeks, thinking it saves on costs, feed costs, and maximize profit. However, after years of experience, I have realized that keeping broilers until 8 weeks and above is far more profitable. In this video, I will share with you 12 powerful reasons why I raise my broilers for 8 weeks before selling, and how it significantly increases my profit as a poultry farmer. Watch to the end, and if this particular topic interests you, please give it a thumb up. Then if you have any question regarding this topic, or you are fond of keeping your broilers for 6 weeks and sell them off, please let me know on the comment section how your profit is, how your profit looks like, the kind of profit you make. Is it significant profit, or just let your people go profit? Please let me know. I want to hear from you on the comment section. 12 reasons why I keep my broilers up to 8 weeks for maximum profit. One is higher weight and market price. By 8 weeks, my broilers weighs between 4.5 to 6.5 kg, allowing me to sell them at premium prices compared to 6 weeks old birds. Better feed conversion ratio. At 8 weeks, my broilers convert feed more efficiently, meaning they gain more weight with less waste, and they eat little and gain more weight. Number 3, stronger and healthier birds. By allowing your birds, especially broiler, to grow fully, they develop better immunity and resistance to diseases, reducing high mortality and loss in poultry. Number 4, higher market demand for bigger birds. Many consumers of broiler meat like it advanced up to 8 weeks and above. So people don't feel eating these 6 weeks broilers, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. They feel that the chicken is yet to be matured, that the meat is too tender. It is for those that doesn't have teeth, in short. So higher demand for bigger birds. Hotels, restaurants, and bulk buyers prefer bigger birds, giving me an advantage in the market, because when my broilers reach 8 weeks, their head becomes red. Every part of their head and face becomes red. They become well matured. And when you see matured broilers with heavy weight, nobody will like to miss it. No matter the amount I place it, they will buy it. In fact, most of the times they buy all my birds in the farm. I don't even take them to the market. That is as a result of the matured bird. More meat yield per bird. A fully grown broiler at 8 weeks has more developed muscles and produces more meat compared to 6 weeks old broilers. In fact, when they slaughter one of my broilers alone at 6 weeks, 6 point something kg upward, it fills almost the whole bucket. In fact, you'll be asking yourself, is it turkey or broiler that is slaughtered for me? The next thing is better taste and texture. Actually, 8WEEKS broiler tastes better and sweeter. 8WEEKS old broilers have firmer, more flavorable meat, which is preferred by many. Many customers prefer 8WEEKS broilers. All of us know that. We can't shy away from it. Even if you are not ready to take your broilers up to 8WEEKS, maybe because of a lot of commitment, you wanted them to go out from you. You want their money to return back. That does not deny the fact that 8WEEKS broiler is better than 6WEEKS broilers. Increased profits from byproduct. Heavier birds have longer organs like gizzard and livers, which sells separately for extra income. Lower mortality rate. 8WEEKS broilers have passed the most critical growth stage, reducing the risk of sudden deaths and high mortality. More time to target peak market price. Keeping my birds for 8 weeks allows me to sell during high demand periods, such as festive periods. Maximizing profit is easier for me. Lower production cost per kg of meat. Despite feeding them longer, the cost per kg of meat is lower because of improved feed efficiency. High profit per bird. Why I spend a little more on my feed, my profit per bird is much higher due to increased weight and market demand. Competitive edge over other farmers. In fact, if I eventually take my broilers to the market, no one sells their broilers until I finish selling, because my birds are well matured and the looks matured and the meat and the weight are encouraging to pay any amount of money you are asked to pay, because good market sells itself. So if you're a poultry farmer, I will strongly advise you, give that little 2 weeks and allow your broilers pay you back in full dose. If you are fond of raising your broilers in 6 weeks, if not because of the financial constraint, please take them to 8 weeks. They will consume little feed between that 2 weeks and are going to give you amazing result, because their feed conversion ratio is higher at that time and their burden, their management requirements are less. So why not take that 2 weeks and gain massively? If you have been selling your broilers at 6 weeks, you might be missing out on bigger profits. Please try extending their growth period to 8 weeks and see the difference. What's your experience? Please let me know in the comment section as a poultry farmer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. And once you subscribe, please activate the bell notification so that anytime I release an update on this particular topic or any other topic in general, poultry farming, you get notified by this wonderful app. And if you are yet to join our channel's community, please do that. Subscribe to our channel community. Just little token you pay on monthly basis, and this is going to give you unlimited access. Those of you that say, I want to see you, doc, I want to see you, doc, I want to see you, can't see me if you are not my channel member. If you are afraid of bank, you are afraid of using your card on this app, myself, I'm also afraid of meeting you in one-on-one, that you are afraid of using your debit or credit card to subscribe to our channel membership. So if you are not a member of my channel, you cannot see me. You are seeing here on screen. That's the only way we can see. I only answer calls from my channel members, those that believe in me, and I believe in them also. So thank you for watching this video now. For the next video is looking very soon, very important video, please don't miss it. Till then, bye.